In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon in Clickfunnels. The favicon is that tiny little icon you see in your browser tab next to the page title. It might seem like a small detail, but it plays a big role in how professional and consistent your brand looks online. A custom favicon helps your funnel stand out among a bunch of open tabs and reinforces your branding every time someone visits your pages. To get started, make sure you're logged into your ClickFunnels account and that you're in the correct workspace where your funnels are located. From there, look for the main navigation and head over to the Funnels section. This is where all of your funnels are listed. Next, find the specific funnel where you want to change the favicon. If you have a lot of funnels, you might want to use the search bar or scroll carefully so you're sure you're editing the right one. Once you've located your funnel, look for the settings icon next to the funnel's name. This is usually represented by a small gear. Go ahead and click that. You'll now be taken into the funnel settings area. In this page, look for the section labeled something like Branding, Custom Code, and Funnel Appearance. This is where ClickFunnels groups together visual and branding options for your funnel. Within that section, you'll see an option called Favicon Image. Click on the button that says Select Image. This will open up the media uploader where you can choose an image from your existing library or upload a new one from your computer. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop your favicon image directly into the upload area, which can be a bit faster. When you're preparing your favicon file, it's best to follow the recommended size of 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels. These sizes help ensure that the icon looks sharp and clear in most browsers. Typically, a simple logo mark or symbol works better than a detailed image because the space is so small. Once you've selected or uploaded your image and you can see it set as the favicon, scroll down and click the button labeled Update Funnel. This step is important because your changes won't go live until you save. After saving, open your funnel in a new browser tab or refresh an existing tab to see your new favicon in action. It may take a moment or two to update, but once it does, your funnel will have a more polished, on-brand appearance.